Superintendent of the Johnston Public Schools, Dr. Bernard DeLulo. Honored guests, educators, parents, families, and most importantly, the class of 2011, good evening. I want to take just a few minutes to share some thoughts with you. First, to our graduates, first teachers, their parents. Take pride in your child's accomplishments this evening and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. You have molded your child into the fine young adult he or she has now become. Thank you on their behalf for your involvement over these years, for all you did to encourage and support them, and for assisting us in providing your child with the quality education he or she deserves. Most importantly, I want to thank you for sending us such fine young men and women. We enjoyed working with them as they are all unique and special to us. We see great potential in this class and look forward to their continued success as they look toward their future education, careers, and lives on their own. To the Johnston High School administrators, teachers, and staff, I can't begin to thank you enough for your hard work, dedication, and for being such a wonderful team of educators. You are professionals who have the students' learning at the center of all your efforts. You go above and beyond expectations each and every day to ensure that learning is rigorous and at the same time enjoyable. The success of these graduates is in no small way a tribute to your mastery of the art and science of teaching. You have created a true learning community at the high school, and for that, we are truly grateful. And finally, to our graduates, I'm honored this evening to be a part of your graduation from high school. This is one of those milestones in your life where you look forward to the excitement of what is ahead of you, but you also remember the last 12 years where you have built your knowledge and character to succeed and meet the goals you'll set for yourself. It is also a time when you begin to take control of your life and depend more on you than on others. As I have heard of all the accomplishments of the class of 2011, I have been impressed with your commitment to learn, your energy to meet your teachers' expectations, your willingness to share your knowledge, to always put 110% in all you do, and the respect you have for each other. You have proven that you have the skill to be successful adults. As you go forward, you will make new memories, and the ones forged here at Johnston High School will begin to fade. But remember, the strength of any structure is in its foundation, and your foundation was poured here in Johnston. As you build on this foundation, do so wisely, by being true to yourself, by putting in great effort, by investing in your success, and by never letting anyone tear down what you have so skillfully built. So students, look fondly on your years at Johnston High School. Hopefully when you remember them, you will do so with a smile. Be sure to thank your parents and teachers for providing you with the tools to build a foundation for your future. The building which will lie on top will now be up to you. Make sure your building will be strong and something to be proud of. And always keep in mind those who stand proudly behind you as you make your future choices. My best wishes to you as you take the path towards life's great achievements. We will miss you, and we thank you for being such fine young men and women. I am confident you all will be valued contributors to a better world. Thank you.